Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many Mac users face when trying to transfer their Keychain local items from an old Mac to a new one. The problem arises when you copy your keychains over, but unfortunately, the local items don't come along for the ride. It can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to avoid using iCloud to manage your keychains. So, how do we solve this problem without manually entering all our passwords on the new Mac? Solution. According to Apple, the solution to this problem is quite straightforward. They mention that you can't directly copy local items from one Mac to another. Apple recommends setting up iCloud Keychain on the new computer using your iCloud username and password to transfer these keychain items. So if you're adamant about not using iCloud services, this could pose a bit of a challenge. In summary, transferring local items from one Mac to another without iCloud can be tricky, as Apple clearly states that it's not a straightforward process. While setting up iCloud Keychain is the recommended solution, it might not be ideal for everyone. So, if you're looking for an alternative method, you might have to explore other options or consider manually entering your passwords. Remember, stay safe and secure when managing your keychains. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped shed some light on the local items transfer problem. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy computing.